Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust focus on Samsung Freestyle. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings, and you can do it by clicking on your remote and then move to the left, scroll down, here's the settings. Now inside by default you should see auto focus right here in the most left of the settings. But in case you don't see it, then simply move to the right all the way down so we can locate all of the settings. Then scroll down for general and privacy, enter projector settings, and there's a focus. You can click on it. And here you'll be able to adjust your focus by clicking on the arrow right, arrow left, and you can also restart it if you want. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.